Good morning, everyone. I want to take the time to connect with you at this very busy time. I just really want to talk to you for a couple of moments. As you'd be well aware, the World Health Organization designated 2020 the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife. And none of us actually expected that 2020 would actually take the turn that it has. And yet, here we see nurses and midwives taking the lead in many ways to support our community through this pandemic. It's interesting that 2020 represents the 200th anniversary of the birth of Florence Nightingale. And one of Florence's great legacies, of course, is the introduction of hand hygiene and sanitation strategies. And how important has that proved to be in this pandemic? We did have a number of events and celebrations organised for this year, and thankfully we were able to complete our plan for our conference in February. But as the year unfolds and the strategies to combat this pandemic have been implemented, we understand that we're going to have to take a bit of a different direction in terms of some of those events that we had planned. There will be more information forthcoming about changes to the face-to-face events that were included in our calendar across the balance of 2020. Regardless of this, we want to continue to celebrate, applaud and showcase the work of nurses and midwives as the balance of 2020 unfolds. And so we're going to be using some different innovation, particularly through our electronic platforms. And we hope that this will actually work for you as you actually focus on the challenges ahead in your practice. Additionally, I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for the amazing work that you do every single day, for what you've done prior to this pandemic, for what you're doing as we prepare for the days ahead, and certainly thank you in advance for the amazing efforts that will be shown in the days, weeks and months that will unfold for this pandemic. Please know that my team and I are absolutely working to ensure that you can do your very best in the role that you play during this difficult time. Thank you again.